All right, hello, my name is Ryan Strong, and I'm going to go over this brief assignment here, adding monetization elements to an existing game assignment. All right, so what I did was I took my alphabet game that I created here, and I added the monetization to that. First, I'll go ahead and go over how you go about doing that, and that's actually pretty easy with Unity. They have the majority of it already built in, so all you have to do is implement a few minor steps. So I'm doing this for iOS. You can do it for multiple platforms, but my platform of choice is iOS. So what you do here is you go to the Services tab, and if you don't have Services tab, you go up here to have the Unity window up, go to Window, and then you go to Services, and it'll bring up this Services tab. Now, what you have to do here is you have to make sure that you log in with one of your accounts. If you don't already have an account, you can create one very easily. You can go to the dashboard to do it by this button here, and very, very easy. So one of the few things I did is first you have to make sure that your Unity project ID is this exact thing here. Did you see me move the mouse over? So I'll highlight it real quick for you. You do that, and the way you can find out if you have the right one is you go to the dashboard, and in Unity it has everything that you need to make sure that you're implementing everything properly and have the right the right stuff in there. So you can go to the Unity page and go to Analytics and get all the information that way. You also can go to the Apple developer. So what I did then is I went to Services, and one of the first things you should do is make sure your Analytics is turned on, because in order for in-app purchases to work, you have to have Analytics turned on. Then you can go to your in-app purchases, and it'll bring you here. Once you turn it on, it's going to ask you whether the app is for people that are 13 years of age or younger, or if they are older than 13 years. They did that to make it easier for parents to have more control over what their kids are purchasing, to kind of require them to put in like a password of sorts or something like that, so that they can't just go in and buy whatever they want whenever they want. So once you do that, you get to this page, and this is where you import all of the stuff that you need to be able to purchase something or set up in-app purchases. It downloads into this folder here called plugins. And inside of plugins, it has a lot of great stuff that is really helpful for the developer. So what I did was, to make it easier, I didn't really need to change much. I actually went in and I took this scene here, the demo, and I added it to my scene so that I could have the functionality put in there. And I changed a few minor things around, which I'll show you that real fast. That's actually a very easy thing that I was able to change, and it's actually in their scripts folder. So you have this here, this whole set of code here. I commented out because the get restore button, I'm not actually using the get restore button. Instead, I'm using I'm changing the button to be a main menu button, and I'll show you how that looks in a minute. I had to comment a few more things out because it was asking about the get restore button. The whole purpose of the get restore button is to make it so that if you have purchased stuff in the past and maybe you deleted the app and you decide, you know what, I want that app again, I'm going to download it again, you can just click that get restore button and it's going to restore all of your previous purchases. So like I said, Unity actually does everything for you. They make it really, really easy for in-app purchases. You just have to go in and add what you want to it. I didn't change very much around, so we'll go ahead and click on play real quick, and you can kind of see what I was talking about. Okay, go ahead. So we have the play button here that plays the game like normal, and then this buy button. This is the one that I am most worried about. So I click the buy button, and I have it set up to where I have fake title for subscription, fake description, 1 penny will get you whatever. So that corresponds to this drop down menu right up here. Let me mute the game audio. Corresponds to this right here. So you can put in that you want to spend 1 penny for 1 gold, 1 penny for 500 gold, so on and so forth on down. So right now they're all false. I click on buy, and it gives you this little pop-up that allows you to buy the currency. And then down here you get a receipt. It's just a fake transaction, so it's giving you this fake receipt. And then from there you can click on main menu, and it brings you right back to the main menu, and you're good to go. So that is what I did to go through to create the monetization, and yeah, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.